Hello and welcome back to this learning module. So in most of the scenarios, we would need to have month to date and year to date buttons for users to actually toggle along, so that when they click on month to date, they will actually be looking at the actual month data. And if they click on year to date, they will be looking at the cumulative month data. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we need to create a month to date button. Let's go to the sheet object here and we click on button here. Alright, now we're gonna add in the text to be displayed on the button. Let's call it month to date here. Alright, let's click on apply and we can see that the button has been shown up. Now let's edit the color for our button. Let's select light blue here. Okay, so there's no changes displayed for this button, okay, because we need to add in an action here. Alright, so let's add in an action. Let's select any of the action here and click on apply. So now we can see the color over there, right? So before we add in any action here, let's create a variable. Hold Control and Alternate and V to open the variable window. Alright, let's click on add here and call it V period. And then for the definition, let's put in 1. And now let's go back to the button here, click on properties and let's delete this because we are not using this. Click on add here and go to external. And let's select set variable. Click on OK. So the variable here, let's put in an equal sign and we put in V. Okay, let's select V period. Next, we're going to remove the equal sign, okay, because we don't want to actually perform any calculations. Alright, this is just a name, right? So the value will be 1. Alright, and then what do we do next? We have added a button variable. Now we're gonna duplicate this button here and change the properties to year to date. Alright, let's do that. Click on apply here. Okay, and we're going to duplicate this button here. So all the keyboard's hotkey is applicable inside QlikView. Alright, so let's click on this month to date and we hold down Control key and drag it over. Alright, just like that. Okay, so we have duplicated a button right now. We are going to change the properties to year to date, right? For the action tab, let's go to set variable here and we change it to 2. Now let's click on apply and next we are going to add in the button color after effect. Alright, so let's go to properties here. Alright, go to general and the color here. So we want to actually, when this is selected, we want the button to change to green. If it is not selected, please change it back to this default color. Alright, so let's click on the edit expression button. Okay, and then we do an if V period equal to 1, then please change to green color, right? Else, just put in, I don't know what color is this. Let's get the RGB code for this color. The code is 0255255. Alright, so I'm going to put in RGB 0255255. Alright, now let's copy this guy here and we click on OK. Let's click on apply. So this color is changed to green color. Alright, so we will need to do the same for our year to date button. Alright, change this to calculator, click on the expansion here, and then we paste the logic and we change V period to 2. Click on OK, and then we click on the apply here, right? So when we toggle to year to date, it will change to green color. Alright, so we can also play around with the font here. Go to the properties, font tab, click on the color here, and we change it to calculated. Click on the expansion button, we paste it here. If the variable V period is equal to 1, what do we do? Maybe let's change it to black color, right? Else, let's put it white color. Okay, let's copy this. Click on apply. Alright, and yeah, so did you see the changes? If VA period equal to 1, the month to date font color has changed to black. Else it will change to white color, right? So let's do the same for the year to date button. You go to the calculated main expression, paste it over, and change this to true. Okay, now click on apply and click on OK. So now this is our button here. Okay, so in the next module we are going to talk about how do we create expressions for this toggle to react. Alright.